Today we want to discuss about course machine learning. In that machine learning, first we want to know the what is machine learning. So first I want to introduce about the what is machine. The general meaning of the machine is nothing but a collection of different components which are connected through the some communications. That is nothing but a machine. The learning is nothing but, according to the Herbert Simon, he has defined a learning is a continuous process of improving over experience. The learning will be improves with the help of the experience. So the machine learning definition is defined by the Tom Mitchell in 1998. According to the Tom Mitchell, machine learning is the study of algorithm that improves their performance with P. The performance will be represented as a P, and with some task T, and with some experience. The experience will be represented as a capital E. So these three terms we are writing as a one, defining the simply well-formed learning task that will be represented by P is nothing but performance, T is nothing but a task, E is nothing but a experience. Next, in machine learning, actually what it contains the machine learning. The basically in the every machine learning, it will be having to the some set of learning algorithms, a set of learning algorithms and a set of data. The data will be two types of data sets are there. What is the input data, the training data set and testing data set. The training data set is nothing but a label data which will be having the input and output of the values. The testing data is nothing but a it is the only data visible, it is the only input will be there is no output here. Here it is containing to the algorithms. The algorithms are inference, the learning algorithms will be draws to the inferences from the training data set. Inferences from the training data set. It generates to the a model. What is model? A model is nothing but a function that maps from input data to the output. See here. See the block diagram of the machine learning, the basic diagram according to the Tom Mitchell. So here the machine learning will be containing to the learning algorithms which will be take to the training data set as an input. With the help of the training data set, it will be inferences to the a model. What is a model? A model is a function which is mapped from input data to the output. With the help of the input, it is mapping to the output. That is nothing but a model. So nowadays, the machine learning will be applicable in any number of ways. Some of the important applications of the machine learning are the spam filtering. This is one of the major advantage of the machine learning. In nowadays, most of the people are using to the communication purpose mails. So in that mails, we are getting to the unnecessary information, or unknown people are sending to the information to our mails. So that such kind of mails, if you want to filter or sort out to that one, we can use into the machine learning applications. The next, fraudulent transactions. Whenever we are to unauthorized transaction will be done, that is also we can filter that one, getting the credit scoring, a recommendation, a robot navigation. A robot navigation is the most of the important application nowadays we are using in the market. The next, what is the machine learning? There are the different types of machine learning algorithms are there. In that one, there are the basically three important algorithms are we are using in the machine learning. Here that is nothing but here. First one is the supervised learning algorithm. Second one is unsupervised learning. Third one is the reinforcement learning. What is supervised learning? In the supervised learning algorithms, here it will be containing to the first training data set. The training data set is nothing but a label data. In other words, the training data set contains to the input value and output value. The input value we are representing with the help of the X, and output value we are representing to the with the help of the Y. So here in the see the diagram. So here the training data set is labeled as a data set. It will be containing input. The training data set is contained to the input value is the X and output value is equal to Y. Is the input data X and output value is the Y. The next, the learning algorithm generates a model. With the help of the training data set, the learning algorithm will be generating to the a model. What is a model? A model is nothing but it is a function mapping from input to the output only. That is the learning. Here, see some example of the supervised algorithm. See here, if we want to identify the sample database consisting of the two columns, where Here first column is the males, the second column is the small spam. So here X is nothing but a input, Y is nothing but a Y. Whenever we are getting the mails through our mail ID, from that you want to filter, separate the which is the useful, which is the unnecessary, the spam values. That is nothing but input is equal to X, output is equal to Y. Mail 1, yes, it is contained any spam or not, spam information or not. If it is yes, it will be displayed to the yes. If it is no, it is displayed to the no. Some applications of the supervised learning. Some real life applications are spam the filtering, house price prediction. House price prediction, credit scoring. It is a depends upon the score of the credit. It is a risk or not. They will be identified easily. Face recognition, etc. Here, there are the two types of supervised learning algorithms are there. Regression and classification. A regression is nothing but here it will be target value should be y as it will be continuous value. Example, house prediction. What is the classification? It is the label data. It is a target variable y as discrete values such as yes or no or zeros or ones and many more. Example is the credit score or spam filtering. If you want to filter the spam mails, so here it will be displaying to the output as a yes or no, like that only. The next one is the unsupervised learning. In this type, the machine learning algorithms are nothing but here. The training data set is unlabeled data set. Means unlabeled data set is nothing but it does not contain any output value. It contains the only input. There is no classification about that one. In other words, a training data set contains the only input value of the X, not the target value of the